Top 10 family-friendly large dog breeds.
Family already. Not only are they loving and affectionate, they are also loyal, just everything we look for in a companion. A lot of us, though, tend to have preferences when it comes to dogs. Some like small ones, some like big ones, some like all shapes and sizes. Not all of us can take care of dogs though. Dogs also need to be taken care of, and they would need your time, effort, and money, and even the ones who have the time, effort, and money can sometimes still not be able to fully take care of a dog because of its size, tendencies, or needs. Things like family, space, and more are also factors when it comes to choosing a dog. So, for you guys looking for large dog breeds to bring home to your families, here's our list of the top 10 family-friendly large dog breeds. Number 10. Rottweiler. Number 9. Great Dane. Number 8. Newfoundland. Number 7. Boxer. Number 6. Collie. Number 5. Poodle. Number 4. German Shepherd. Number 3. Golden Retriever. Number 2. Labrador Retriever. Number 1. English Mastiff.
Tell me pretty lies.